Okay, go.
I go first. No! I go
Just
first.
go.
You got the last. Okay.
You're gonna punch each other. Stand still.
Go, go. Okay.
Oh my god.
Go. Ready?
This is Emma punching Jill in the face.
Ready? My turn. Not even hard. You let me have to do a little bit. Not even hard. Ready?
Okay, go.
No.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Your ear.
Oh. Oh.
I'm so sorry. It's fine. It's my turn now. This time. No, that's what we're praying on. You're a bad person.
Oh my god. I fall.
Oh shit.
Why are we doing this?
Too hot. Oh my god, it's gonna hurt so much.
Oh my.
I'm so sorry. How?
Why are you guys doing this?
I don't have my face now. Are we dead?
No, keep going.
Sorry. This side now.
Emma, come on.
This is my good side. This side? Yeah. Ow. Not that hard. Okay, that hurt. Okay. Oh, this is a bitch. Ow. Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
You actually hit me this side. Come on, no, you can't keep it the same side minute.
You gotta keep your hands down.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh my god.
I actually did not mean it in your jaw. Okay.
Guys, that's the point of it.
Okay, ready? Wait, I missed.
Emma, put your hands down.
No.
Emma, put your hands down.
Don't this.
Well, you gotta put your hands
I
down.
don't do that. Not that. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, you have to hit though. Oh my god.
Oh my.
It hurts so bad. I think my mouth is bleeding. You made me bleed last time. I don't like to hurt you because you're so scared.
Go, Emma.
Oh, shit, that was not it. Okay. Chicken dough. Is that hurt? It's okay though. This side now. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
I mean, oh. Ow. Ready? Why are we playing this? I don't know. This side. Oh.
Oh my god.
You have to close your mouth, dude. When I go to hit you because.
Yeah, because then you bite your lip.
Dude, I got scared.
Go.
Oh.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry. Oh, I missed. Ready? Yeah. Ready? Ready? Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Ow. Ready? You punched me in the eye. Help me up. No, you punched me in the eye.